time of the year where you have to be more mindful about the glass temperature. So let's jump right into a tech tip. You might be asking yourself, what temperature should the windshield be at? Well, our recommended temperature range is 70 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. And a hairdryer is the preferred method for warming the windshield outside of the vehicle. When using a hairdryer, you should set it to a low heat until the glass begins to warm up. Then it can be switched to a high heat if necessary. In extreme cold temperatures, it can be beneficial to use the defroster and a hairdryer together to help maintain a constant glass temperature throughout the repair process. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact us.